How to merge multiple Outlook PST files. It's quite hard to manage multiple PST files. By merging them to a single one, you can easily manage and access them. Manually merging your PST files is quite time-consuming. That's why we would like to introduce the Regain PST Merger tool. To start using this software, first, go to Google and search for Regain PST Merger tool. Open the first web page, which is the official website of Regain software. From this official website, you can download the trial version of the software for free. After downloading, double-click on the exe file. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and install the software on your device. After installation, simply run the software by allowing administrative permission. It is the graphical interface of Regain PST Merger tool. Here in this dashboard, click on the Add PST File button, and add all your PST files which you want to merge together. Then click Next, and preview all your folders before you proceed to the merging stage. Now, in the next step, click on the Browse button and specify a destination on your device, where you want to save the output PST file. Finally, click Next. As a result, the software will start merging your PST files. Once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.